We'll guide you through how to install the WordPress Mailchimp plugin. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. Then, select Add New. In the search bar on the top right, type Mailchimp for WordPresses and hit Enter. You'll see a list of plugins. Look for Mailchimp for WordPresses by Ibiricode. When you find it, click on Install Now. The installation process will take a few moments. Once installed, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activation, you should see a new menu item titled Mailchimp for WP on your dashboard menu. Click on it to open the plugin settings. Here, you'll need to connect your Mailchimp account. So, click on the Mailchimp tab within the plugin settings. You'll need to enter your Mailchimp API key. If you don't have an API key, go to your Mailchimp account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Account, then Extras, and select API keys. Click on Create a key if you don't have one, then copy it. Return to your WordPress plugin settings and paste the API key into the designated field, then click Save Changes. Once connected, you can start creating forms and managing your mailing list directly from WordPress. This plugin makes it easy to integrate Mailchimp's powerful email marketing tools with your WordPress site, allowing you to grow your email list and engage with your audience effectively. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.